How to remove Dodge Journey or Fiat Freemont door panel. You can remove the window switch at the end after you pull the door panel out of place, or you can do it now with a plastic tool. On the sides, there are clips that you'll need to unclip. I'd recommend using a plastic tool and not a flathead metal screwdriver, as you can damage the switch plate or the door panel. And you can see these are the clips, these chrome colored ones. Unplug the switch. Next to the door pull handle, on the inside there's this cover over here that you need to remove, and there's a torque screw underneath. I believe it was a T30 that we will need to remove. Where the door open handle is, there is another cover over here that we will need to remove. And underneath there is a Phillips screw. Remove the Phillips screw and then remove the handle surround. So we will leave the door open handle just in place. It won't come off with the door panel. Next, you can use plastic tools to get in between the door panel and the door itself. This is one method, and then with your fingers pull the bottom out. Otherwise, if you do have a clip remover like this, it makes it much easier, where you again get in between the door panel and the door and then unclip the bottom as you go. So starting from one side, so you either do this with this clip remover, which makes it easier, or you pull it with your fingers, as there is clips on the inside that hold the door panel in place. Keep in mind these clips can break. I will show you them once the door panel is off. So continue all along, and you want to first pull out the bottom. So just how I'm like doing it with my fingers, you can do this with your fingers, or you can do it with the clip remover. Pull up as you go, and then slide it upwards to detach it from the window seal. And then you need to unplug. These are the clips over here, these white ones. So one tip is you want these to be actually like this on the door panel. If they're on the door, remove them and put them on the door panel. Thank you for watching. I hope you have found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.